guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing something a little bit different. As you can tell, we are in my kitchen and we're going to be filming a recipe today. It's something that I've never done on my channel before, but I really hope that you guys are okay with it. I know my channel has been mainly like beauty and fashion, but I hope you guys are okay with recipes too. I tend to film, well, not like film, but like I do like recipes and stuff in my Insta stories, and I have like an Instagram highlight where I do food and stuff like that. And I get a lot of people asking me like, what's in it and how do you make it and are you gonna film a video on it and put it on your YouTube channel? And so I thought about it for a while and I decided that I would start filming recipes on here as long as you guys are cool with it. Let me know in the comments below, thumbs up the video if you guys want to see recipes here on my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite thing to eat for breakfast, and it's avocado toast, as you can tell by the title, but I absolutely love it. It's so good in my opinion, and I really hope you guys love the recipe. It's super simple and easy to make, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how to make this avocado toast, then just keep watching. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that you're going to need, minus the lemon pepper, which I have over here on the side, but I'm going to show you guys how I apply that in a minute. But so you just need 2 slices of bread, or 1. You can use 1 slice of bread depending on how much you want to eat. I usually do 2 if I'm having breakfast. I use this bread right here, the Artisano bakery bread. I get this from Target and it's just really good in my opinion. It's soft, it's thick, and it's really filling, so I love this bread. It's so good to me. And then I have some Constellation tomatoes. I love these because they come in different colors and they just make it look really festive, so I like it. Not that it's like a holiday or anything, but I like them. It just makes the dish look really pretty. I have 10 right here in this bowl and I just like to cut them in half, so we'll do that in a second. This is the brand. I get it from Target. And yeah, it comes in this kind of a packaging, all different colors in there, really cool. So yeah, love these. I do rinse them before I eat them. And then I have half of an avocado here. I like my avocados to be not super duper hard, but then also not really soft either. I like them kind of in between. And it also makes it so it's easier to mash together. And then we have our seasonings here, everything but the lemon pepper. The lemon pepper I like to put over top, but I'll show you guys how I do that in a second. But I have onion powder here. This is a 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then I have a 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. We're not going to use all of this. I'm going to sprinkle it in and do like pinches to taste. I feel like everyone's palate is different when it comes to salt, so definitely I would recommend adding the salt to taste. And then we have some lemon juice here. That is a 1/2 a teaspoon of lemon juice. And I just use this here. This I also get from Target. You can also use an actual lemon, but I just use this. It's a lot easier and I like to keep this in my house. And then you're just gonna need some lemon pepper and paprika. These 2 I like to sprinkle over top, but I'll show you guys how I do that at the end. By the way, can we just take a moment to appreciate these little measuring spoons? How freaking cute are these? My mom got it for me. It's so cute. You guys, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love elephants. I mean, you guys saw my elephant necklace in the intro of the video, so you know how much I love elephants, and I just thought these were so cute. But yeah, we're just gonna display these up here. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the 1/2 of an avocado and we're just gonna mash it with a fork. It's kind of slippery, so just get in there. Mash it on up. You could totally make it a little bit chunky if you want to. I think I'm gonna do mine a little bit chunky today. Sometimes I'll go for like a full-on, it's getting everywhere. It's not that easy to do it around a camera. Okay, so that got messy really quick. I like to mash it up until it's about there. It's a little bit of chunks in there, but not too many chunks, and the chunks are not big at all. And then we're just gonna take our 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and get that in there. And then we're gonna take our lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, pour that in there, and we're just gonna mix that all together. The lemon juice also helps it to last a little bit longer as well, like in the refrigerator. Okay, next we're gonna take some sea salt, and we're just gonna add, it's so hard to do pinches, but we're just gonna add some pinches of sea salt. I'm gonna do 3 at first, or actually let's do 4. And then we're just gonna mix that on up, and I'm just gonna taste it to see how it is. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more, so maybe like 3 more. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, screw it. I'm just putting the rest of it in. I like stuff to be relatively salty, but I know a lot of people are really sensitive to salt, but I like a good amount of salt. So just mix that up. All right, we're good. Okay, so we're good there. I know I said I was gonna add this over top, but I do like to put a few shakes into the actual avocado mixture. So we're going in with the lemon pepper. So we're just gonna add a few shakes of that, and we're gonna mix that together until we have something that looks like this. Yummy. Okay, and with a little bit of movie magic, we're just going to slice these in half. Okay, so now we're gonna take our toast. I'm just gonna apply it right over top and spread it out with a spoon. Trying to make it pretty for you guys. Okay, so now the fun part. We're gonna add all of our tomatoes just randomly all over. You can put them however you want. So far it should look something like that. And then lastly, we're just going to add our seasonings over top. First thing I'm gonna do is take my paprika and just, you know, sprinkle it over top. Be as generous as you want to be. I like the flavor that paprika adds to dishes. I always add paprika to like everything. Next we're going in with lemon pepper. I'm legit almost out. I love lemon pepper so much. I add this to everything too. And we're just gonna sprinkle that on there. This just gives it like a little bit of a kick. And I like that. And lastly, we're just gonna add some parsley flakes. I pretty much just put this on because it makes it look prettier. To be honest, like parsley flakes don't really have too much of a flavor, but it looks pretty. And voila, that's pretty much it, you guys. I like to serve this with fruit on the side. Use some apple slices or whatever fruit I have on hand. Today we have apple slices. And I also like to have my green juice with it. I drink green juice every single day. If you guys want a recipe on this green juice, let me know because it's my favorite. I love it so much. So yeah, that's basically it for this recipe. It's super simple and easy to create. I love it so much. It's my favorite breakfast to have. Let me know if you guys decide to try it out in the comments below. Let me know what you think of it. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and decided to try it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, thumbs up the video if you guys liked it and want to see more recipes here on my channel. I can definitely do that for you. Just let me know if you want to see it. All right, I'm gonna go finish this because I'm starving and it smells so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.